This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings and locating languages and input right away. This gets you to installed keyboards. Once there, tap the keyboard app you use, for example Gboard or Samsung keyboard, and choose its settings. Make sure you're modifying the active keyboard. You do this because each keyboard manages its own size controls. Adjusting the wrong app won't change what you see while typing. Now tap the option labeled Size, Layout, or Resize to begin resizing. Once you're in resize or keyboard height, drag the slider gradually so you can feel how it affects reach and visibility. You'll want a balance. Taller keys reduce typos, while shorter keys give more screen space. Try the one-handed or landscape layout options to see how height behaves in different orientations. Make sure to use the preview area. It updates while you adjust. When you're satisfied, tap Apply or Done. If needed, repeat small tweaks until the keyboard feels. You finish by testing in Messages, email, and a browser to confirm the new size across apps. This ensures reachability and accuracy. If your changes don't stick, go to Settings, Apps, clear the keyboard app cache, and restart the phone. This often resolves save issues. Make sure the keyboard app is updated, otherwise reinstall it or switch to a different keyboard app temporarily. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most problems without deeper resets, so try it before more drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.